Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I am here. It is Thursday, August 13th. It is time for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. I'm doing a whole bunch of videos, guys. I'm crafting, I'm getting things done. But wanted to come on and share my 3x5 index card with you all. Nothing too much today. I just glued stuff on. I stamped some a postal, like a postcard stamp and some script in the background's kind of faded. And then I just laid down some paper. So here's that postal stamp. Here I still have it out. So I stamped it on here, and then I used my script stamp and just kind of lightly with vintage photo here and there. There was some down here. There's some down here. I didn't want it striking, because I knew I was going to cover most of it up, but added some pattern paper to it, some book pages. This is a sticker that I have in my stash. This was a sticker from Hobby Lobby. This is another sticker. I think this is a sticker set from Target. It was, oh gosh, it was like their letters. I don't even know if it's still around because I've had it forever. And then from Hobby Lobby, I have this typewriter ephemera pack that had Choose Joy, and I love seeing new places, doing new things. Always makes me happy. So travel is my happy place. Second to crafting. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.